Hey folks, Thack with the OK Foraging and Adventures here with
Brenda.
And we are off on a little adventures. Join us. Well folks, so we got things set up pretty easily. As you can see, the first time we set up that tent, it was kind of hard, but now we got it down packed and it's looking good. Let's go inside and see how things look, and I'll show you the rest of camp. So there it is, folks. Look at that beautiful mat Brenda put down for us so we could knock the dirt off our feet and stuff, and it zips nice and tight. Let's unzip and go in. Look at that. It's very, very roomy. There's Brenda set up. As you can tell, her cot is higher than my cot because she's having knee surgery. So this will be a lot more helpful and easier for you. So, right, sweetie?
Yes.
So, yeah, everything looks great here. I, on the other hand, have a little mess going. I just throw my crap everywhere. She's a little more organized. Our little, well, it's a tote. We just flip it upside down and make it our table. And my little setup. I love this, what is this? Static V mat right here.
Yeah.
Very portable. And I did bring a regular blanket because I wanted comfort tonight. Well, the next 2 nights, right, babe?
Yep.
Oh, and you brought my nice little plush blanket.
Yep.
All right, so let's go outside, folks, and see how we set up outside. Oh, what a gorgeous, gorgeous place, huh? Look at this. So, now this is going to look a little bit bad, but, you know, Robin and some other people came out and they cleaned out a really nice spot. Now this used to be all just grown apart. They pushed all the cars back so that way we could have a nice little area down there. Fire pit or chairs. And look at this. Nice setup, huh? I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. And look at this neat little table that they made. They made a base, 2 milk crates, and then a top. And that's where we put our water, right there. So, yeah, let's see. We got our stove for coffee, our cooler with our frozen foods and stuff, and the tote with our dry goods. Okay. Snack time, babe? Look at me.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back, folks. Well, folks, we're just sitting around now. Brenda made us a little supper of sausage and onions and stuff like that. Then she got a fire going. You guys want to see this fire? Check it out. Hold on here. Look at that fire. So we're just going to sit around, enjoy the fire, enjoy the evening. Yep. It is a gorgeous evening. I should show them the sky, huh? Can you guys see that behind us? Which way are we going here? There we are. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful sky. You having fun, baby?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna just see that pile of wood over there from them tearing it up. We're gonna try and get some of it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Well, folks, it's time for dessert, and Brenda is gonna make us, what is it, baby?
It's peach cobbler pie, basically.
Oh, so she's gonna...
Gotta butter the outside.
Mm-hmm.
That there.
Okay.
Get some of this.
Wait.
Oops. Here first.
Look at that, guys. Oh,
Oops.
don't put that much on
Yep.
mine, okay? Thank you.
And
Yep, the outside.
Yep.
Oh, wrong one. That one's...
Oh,
yep.
that's right. That's right.
Thank you. All right. Then... she just closes it up. And then we're going to go meet her over at the fire.
Yep.
So she just puts it on the fire and lets it cook. Well, folks, she just took it off the fire.
All right. Moment of
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yum,
good.
yum. Oh, just please be careful. It's piping hot.
Yes, it is.
Look at
Yep.
that, you guys. All right, baby. Cut it in half and show the people.
No. It's oozing out.
Oh, is it? Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Yum, yum, yum. Well, folks, as you can see, I am in the tent. We've had a long day. I worked this morning. We came set up. We hope you like this day one so far. Tomorrow we're going to have a couple more adventures. But until then, thank you for watching. Until next time, may all your adventures be A-okay.